What's up guys, I'm Sean. Today we're going to be installing this stainless steel clutch line from BimmerWorld on my BMW E46 M3. The reason why people upgrade their clutch line to a stainless steel line is very similar to the reason why people upgrade their brake lines to a stainless steel brake line. The stock hose is rubber and has a tendency to expand under high pressure and high temperatures. So the idea is having a stainless steel line minimizes the expansion, and also the stainless steel line is more durable as well. Clutch fluid is brake fluid, and it comes from the brake fluid reservoir, so make sure you have some brake fluid on standby. At the end of this video, I'm going to put a link on how to bleed your clutch line. Move the car safely on jack stands with some backup jacks. I'm going to remove this plastic panel. It's a bunch of 8mm screws. Now we're going to remove this panel so we can get to the clutch line. Here's the factory clutch line that we're going to be replacing. I'm going to remove the fuel filter plate just so we can have a little bit more room. You don't have to do it, it's optional, but if you do, it gives you more room to the clutch line. You can ignore this. My car used to be SMG, now it's a manual. So there's some extra wiring that you may see. So we're going to use a little pick tool to pull off this pin. And then we need a 17 for this, and 11 for this. And we're going to need an 8mm to bleed the clutch once we replace the hose. If you have the factory clutch delay valve, now it's a good time to remove it. Mine used to be an SMG, now it's a manual, and the shop didn't install the clutch delay valve, which is good. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this first. This is a 17, I'm going to hold it. I'm going to loosen this side. I'll put 11. Have your bucket ready and some rags because it's going to get a little bit messy. So I just loosen this side. As you can see, it's already dripping. Use a little pick tool. Pull off that clip. Here's the clip. And just pull this hose out. It's already out. And the new one, all you do is just insert it. Insert it there. Reinstall this. So I just push this clip back in. So this side's done. Now it's pretty easy. I'm going to loosen the factory line completely. Make sure you use this washer that comes with the BimmerWorld line. Alright, the factory line is loose. Just going to install the BimmerWorld line, just like how we remove the factory line. So you're going to need a rag or something to help you get some grip. The BimmerWorld one is 14 on this side instead of 17 like the factory. I'm just going to tighten it down. Snug. Doesn't have to be that tight. That's pretty much it. The stainless steel line is installed. There's no leaks right now. But I'm going to have to top off the fluid, and then we're going to bleed the clutch from here. And I'll put a link on how to bleed the clutch at the end of this video. Now we're going to put all the panels back and go for a test drive. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to watch more. Thanks for watching.